Microlearning, defining. Now that you have some familiarity with the concept of microlearning, it's time to dive into more detail. Microlearning has become fueled by the idea that as we become an information-driven society, abundant with knowledge workers, there is an increased demand for quicker, more agile learning. Microlearning can help meet this demand by breaking information down into smaller, more focused units. The division of complex knowledge into smaller pieces has its roots in teach-yourself processes and user communities, as well as in the development of open-source software projects. This is especially true in areas where technology is evolving so quickly that learners need to rely on each other as relevant documentation is not available, such as the introduction of new mobile devices and apps where user communities are active. Pairing up the development of small chunks of information with flexible technologies can enable learners to easily access specific kinds of content in specific work contexts, at specific time of days, and even on breaks or when they're on the move. For example, for specific contexts, finding out how to use a tool in Microsoft Office or viewing a course syllabus before a class lecture. For specific times of days, such as reviewing a to-do list before starting work. Even on breaks, such as catching up on social media outlets or sending a text to a friend. When on the move, finding out directions to a restaurant or reviewing a grocery list while you're at the store. Microlearning has been considered a specific pedagogical approach that focuses on the use of microcontents as a special, small, and subjective account of the concept of learning resource. Microlearning content can be designed in three main ways, as shown by the yellow dot. First, as a single or separate learning task. Second, delivered concurrently. Or third, integrated into other activities. Microlearning can involve the use of different technologies. For example, reading a single essay from a book, listening to a short podcast on a specific topic, or tweeting a quote from a conference. Thanks to its single-minded focus, microlearning allows media, such as video, images, sound, and text, to be manipulated, customized, and extended. Due to the popularity and accessibility of home-use media production tools, learners can practice editing, mixing, and reshaping of media. Until recently, media formats such as television broadcasts couldn't be manipulated or customized to suit learning goals. Educators would need to create supplemental materials, such as a worksheet, to be filled out after a video. Now, educators can remix and reuse content based on the needs of their class. A special thanks to all these sources which helped me create this great video for you. Please watch the next video, Microlearning Examples.